guys, welcome back to the Kansas Fire Alarms channel. My name is Jake, and today's video is new system test 2. I know I haven't uploaded for like a month or something like that, but yeah, it happens. I'll get back on it at some point. So, we have my FCI MS2, system sensor spectral or classic horn strobe. We have my i3, classic remote strobe. It's kind of a random system test, if I'm being honest. 425120. Whatever model number that would be, I don't know. I'm not a simplex nerd. And the Commander 3 remote strobe. Before I pull the fire alarm, actually don't pull fire alarms in real buildings because that's a little bit of a crime, but you know, sometimes you gotta commit crimes. So, yeah. Alright, let me pull the fire alarm. 3, 2, 1. Alright, now it's time to pull the hallway pull station. So, let's do that. Alright, and we'll activate the i3. Run the system real quick. Not run, but you know what I mean. Alright, so that is the entire system test. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be uploading more, just, yeah. I won't be uploading next week, but I'll be uploading, whatever it's called. I'll be uploading more as time goes on, just, yeah. I had, a couple vacations I had to, or not had to, but I had a couple vacations I went on, so that's kind of the reason I took a little break. So, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Hey y'all, welcome back to the Kansas Fire Alarms channel. My name is Jake. Don't mind that it's been like 3 weeks, but... Oh, I don't remember the system test number. Okay. Let me get the system test number, and this will be at the end of the video, I guess. If you're here, thank you. Comment potato or something, I don't know. Okay, let me get the system test number.